Good morning. Got up a little bit early for work and decided to just come on up to Ross County and do a little hike. So I am on the Southpoint Lookout Trail. I need to make sure I lock my door. Of Buzzards Roost. You might remember that I did another video about Buzzards Roost Rock, whatever. That's in Adams County. Completely different nature preserve, but this is in Ross. About 10 minutes until sunrise. I had to Google when dawn officially started. This nature preserve's open from dawn to dusk, so we're good. And here we go. Okay, so this is just a 2-mile loop. I think there's 2 different places that have some really good views, and the beginning of the trail has some elevation gain. Nothing that's a big deal. You'll see the path is nice and wide. So as I'm walking this morning, I'm trying to meditate on Ephesians 4:29. This morning I read it in the Message version, and it said, "To let nothing foul or dirty come out of your mouth. Each word is a gift." And each word is a gift. I think it's let nothing foul or dirty come out of your mouth. Say only what helps. Each word is a gift. Say only what helps. Each word is a gift. Ephesians 4:29. And I am like, that's something I really want to get ingrained in me. Say only what helps. Each word is a gift, because I think that sometimes I get frustrated and I forget to show mercy to myself and to show mercy to other people, and to just say only what helps, and to remember that each word is a gift. So that's what I'm trying to do this morning. So I'm kind of where the lookout is right now. The last time I was here, I think the leaves must have been off the trees because I was able to see further, but I think maybe up here you can still see good. So yeah, like you can see all the way down to the creek right there. We get some leaves that are starting to turn, which is kind of cool, you know. Let's see. It's pretty. Okay, this is the amazing view that I remembered. So here's this rock. And then you have this night. Oh my gosh, can you believe this is Ross County? It's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I should come back in a couple of weeks when more of these leaves have turned color. Well, I'm just gonna enjoy this for a little bit. So if you're wondering if you should bring trekking poles out for this, I don't have any out here today. I just think that little bitty walk down to that rock and then back up, it's a lot of like loose rock there, and it probably would have been helpful to maybe have a trekking pole just to do that. So I think the rest is just personal preference, but maybe at least having one wouldn't be a bad idea. So how cool is this? They have a little park bench here that you can sit and just enjoy the view. It's so nice. probably when those leaves just fall a little bit, you'll have a beautiful view if you sit here. It's awesome. This is more towards the end of the trail, so I guess if you were wanting the bench, you could go, when you get in the parking lot and you're facing the trails, you would make a right. I think you could get to this bench quicker. So here's another cool place where you can, oh, there went a little chipmunk. A little view. Again, maybe a trekking pole would be helpful, but you know, it's doable without. Watch, I'll say that and then I'm gonna fall probably. That'd be great, especially since I'm in work clothes. It'd be extra great, wouldn't it? Okay, so let's see what this is all about. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh, you can't pick up the colors on the trees in the video, but there, maybe you can see they're just starting to turn. Right there's a nice patch. Yeah, and then if you go back, this is the rock that I'm on. It's kind of neat there, you get like a rock face. But, oh, look at the sky, isn't it pretty? It's very beautiful. Look at that, I love it. Love it, love it. So this is like a super pretty trail. I don't know that I'll do it right before I have to go in the office again, just because I'm sweating like way more than I thought I would. I mean, I actually even fixed my hair today, if you can believe that, but now it's just all sweaty, so I'm sure it's frozen out. But that's okay. There'll be no free hugs today, and that's okay too. Well, I'm almost back to the parking lot, so thanks for watching.